How to fix Hinge email verification not working. 1. Don't use iPad. Don't use iPad to create Hinge because it is a bug. 2. Check your email spam. Go at Gmail and check your spam outbox and important mail. Press inbox. There you can find your Hinge code. 3. Check internet connection. Go at SpeedTest and check the speed of your internet. 4. Purchase a new number. Press purchase now. Write your billing details and credit card information. Press place order. 5. Check for code expiration. Check if the code that Hinge sent has expired. Press create account. Select country. Go at DatingZest and get the number. Paste the number. Hinge will send a code. Copy that code and paste it on Hinge. Your account is now created. Your new account is now created and verified.